Team India is back with a bang. On Sunday, Indian fans were treated with a victory over England in the second T20I played at the iconic Narendra Modi Stadium. Captain Kohli, having won the toss, invited Morgan's men to bat first, and England put up a total of 164 for 6 in 20 overs. Then came India, and leading the charge for the Indian side was the young debutant Ishan Kishan, who, along with Virat Kohli, mounted a spectacular chase for Team India. With this win, the series is now levelled at 1-1. The momentum is clearly with the host, and they will look to capitalise on it tonight. With so many stars on both sides, picking up an ideal 11 for your fantasy team can be quite tricky. Worry not, as Sports Today brings to you the fantasy pick for India vs England third T20I.
घंटों रिसर्च कर बढ़िया प्लेयर्स चुन के बेस्ट टीम बनाई थी तुमने, पर टीम फिर भी हार गई तुम्हारी। क्या कभी ऐसा लगा है कि रियल प्लेयर्स के साथ भी खेल रहे हो या नहीं? हाउसर पे आओ, हाउसर पे आप ही की तरह है सिर्फ और सिर्फ असली फैंस, गारंटीड। विजिट houseit.com and make your team now.
Number 5. Rishabh Pant. Batting at number 4, Rishabh Pant played a crucial quick-fire inning on Sunday. He scored 26 of 13 deliveries at a whopping strike rate of 200. This included 2 fours and 2 massive sixes, thus making Rishabh Pant an ideal pick as a wicket-keeper batsman for your side. Number 4. Jason Roy. Jason Roy seemed to continue from where he had left in the last game. At a strike rate of 131.43, Jason Roy scored 46 runs of 35 balls, including 4 fours and 2 sixes. The English opener is a wise pick to make as he is in a good form and will be facing the maximum number of deliveries. Number 3. Washington Sundar. Washington's bowling, especially against the right-handers, was Ati Sundar. With an economy of 7.20, Sundar in his 4 overs gave 29 runs and took 2 crucial wickets of Jason Roy and Johnny Bairstow. With the pitch for the third T20I promising to be a turner, Washington Sundar is a must-have on your side. Number 2. Virat Kohli. A great batsman needs just one shot to find his form back. Facing the first ball of the 4th over, Virat Kohli played a brilliant pull shot to muscle a short pitch delivery by Archer for 4. From that point on, Captain Kohli didn't look back. Virat Kohli, with a strike rate of 148.98, was unbeaten on 73. Virat hit 5 fours and 3 sixes to finish off the game in style. With Kohli finding his rhythm just in time, I recommend it's time for you to include the Indian captain in your side too. Number 1. Ishan Kishan. Making his international debut for India, Ishan Kishan was a sight to behold. The 22-year-old held on to his nerves and stitched a 94-run stand with captain Virat Kohli after KL Rahul got out for a duck in the first over. Ishan Kishan knocked 56 of 32 balls at a blistering strike rate of 175. This included 5 fours and 4 massive sixes. So my number 1 pick for tonight has to be Ishan the Magnificent Kishan. 2 different pitches have been used in the 2 concluded games so far. The first pitch was black soil and had pace. The second one, however, took the pace of the ball. But tonight's encounter will see a red soil pitch being used, which will assist the spinners. So, in addition to my Fantasy 5, the X factor for tonight may turn out to be Yuzvendra Chahal. Though Chahal was a bit expensive with an economy of 8.50 in 4 overs, he did trouble the English batsman with his turn and took an important wicket of David Malan. So, to pick or not to pick, the choice is yours to make. Here's a look at our Fantasy 5 for tonight's encounter. For captain, you can go with Virat Kohli And for vice captain, Washington Sundar will be a good choice. Don't forget to use these fantasy tips to create your team on Howzat. Download the app and create your own team now. On Howzat, you get a chance to beat the legends like Yuvraj Singh and Irfan Pathan. Hope you have a good time watching and enjoying the game called cricket. Till the time we meet again, this is Badshah Ray signing off for Sports Today. Ciao.